Here's part 2 of all the Bicentennial banner DC comics from cover dated July and August 1976. And as I stated before, almost every comic that DC published from those 2 months had the banner. And I'm going to show a couple honorable mentions that did not come out they did not have the banner, and it came out right around that time, and are, you know, in the spirit of the Bicentennial, shall we say. Here is, of course, the numbers up here: 29, 30, 31, 32, and then the last official one is 33. That's DC Superstars. But this DC Special Giant came out that same month as well, and so this one came out the next month. As you can see, it is Bicentennial themed, and there is the belt buckle.